Here we are tonight. We're gonna finally be torquing those bolts on the left side head right there. And let me see if we can see the bolts. There's one right there. And where's the other one? The red one right there, see that one? And over here. And so the reason they're different colors, especially this one and the one down here, that one right there, is because they're torqued at different specs. What that means is they're torqued tighter or less or whatever than the other bolts that are red. So that's red, and I don't know if you can see it. There's the red, and the other red bolt, and the other red bolt. So we're getting ready to torque this. We're going to do it in sequence. That bolt's going to be A. The bolt at the bottom is going to be B. Upper left is going to be C. Lower right is going to be D. Lower left is going to be E. And upper right is going to be F. 22 foot-pounds. Well, I recorded this section like 3 times, and I did the formatting wrong, and I couldn't download it on my computer till finally I learned. So, so we're gonna go back to recording. We're gonna do the 22 foot-pounds on the head. All right, let's do it. Well, actually, I already did it, but I'm going to show you how I did it, okay? So, let's do it. Okay, I'm going to show you the best I can what I'm doing. I'm going to do that bolt first right there. Okay, so let me get the wrench, the torque wrench, and we're gonna put it on there. Okay, we're gonna turn it right because we're gonna tighten it, righty tighty, lefty loosey, and all we're doing on the wrench is just turning it until it click click. It's gonna click, and that means you have it at 22 or whatever you set it on foot-pounds. So here you go. You see that click? It clicked, so you're there. Okay, and then we're gonna go to B, which is, where is it? B is even lower. Somewhere down there, I guess. Let me see where it is. It's directly below this, so it's right here. You need some more light. It's right there. Okay. So we can leave the light. So we can leave the light right there. Does that work? where'd you go? Let's see. Let's take this light. Somewhere on there. Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off for a second. Okay, so back where we were trying to adjust this bolt down here. It's right there, that yellow one, and it's way in there, right? And it's hard to put a wrench sometimes when something is so deep, because then your torque wrench or your wrench starts hitting the stuff right here, or the socket doesn't fit into the bolt very well. So what you need to do is use an extension like this to make so it can come out a little bit more. And so let's put that on. I'll stop this for a second. Okay, so there's your extension, and then your socket. So let's go back in there without dropping the camera. So let me hold it better. Let me grab it a little bit better before I drop it again. Okay, so we're gonna go down here. We're looking for it. It's right there. Okay. So that's right. There we go. Now we got it in. Okay, so I want to turn it until it clicks. And since I've already tightened it, it's just gonna click up. It's just gonna click for us. Okay, so here I go. See, just a click. That means it's at 22, and it's good. Now, so we went from A, the bolt right there, to B. Then we're gonna go upper, left, we don't need the extension here because we obviously have plenty of room. See that? We have plenty of room, but anyway, it's just gonna click. See, just a click. Okay, so then that's C, and then we're gonna go to D, which is the lower right. But now, since it's closer to the car, from here to here, you don't need the extension. So you're gonna have to do without the extension, because see, it doesn't fit. So let's take the extension off. So here we go. We're going to that red one, or what color is it? Yeah, it's red. Where is it? It's probably down here more. Yeah, there it is. So we're gonna put it in there without the extension. And just kind of have to feel for it. If I didn't have the camera, let me see. Okay, so it's in, and I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. And then you just turn it until it clicks. clicking. Okay, so you're good there. And now you come over to the lower bolt on the left side, and it's right there. You can see it right there. And so where'd it go? Oh. Where are you? Oh, wow. So kind of feel for it again. Okay, you see how we're in now? I don't know if you can see that, but see, if you turn it right, you're gonna hit this. So what you do is you turn this knob, and then you go a little bit higher, surpass that part, like that, okay? And then now, you can turn it, and it clicks, see? And then, you take it out, and then we're gonna go to the last one. We're gonna go to F, which is on the lower, no, that was the lower on the left. So then you go to F on the upper right. Okay, upper right bolt. Let me just grab this camera really good so I don't drop it. And I don't want to drop the torque wrench because it might take it out of calibration, because it's not a very good wrench, because it's from Harbor Freight, I guess. So anyway, so there you go. You're at the last one, F. And turn it to the right again until it clicks. And there you go. By turning it right, you're at 22 pounds and it clicks. Okay, let's move on.